Working with an XY file from a surveying or scientific instrument and need to visualize the data points? This is a coordinate data format used across many technical disciplines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open plot and work with these XY coordinate data files. To quickly determine if the XY file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. XY files are plain text data files containing paired X and Y coordinate values, typically one pair per line, used for plotting two-dimensional data points. They are generated by scientific instruments, survey equipment, data loggers, and analysis software for representing spatial positions, measurement curves, and mathematical function data. XY coordinate files use simple ASCII text format with whitespace tab or comma-delimited columns for X and Y values. Optional additional columns may contain error bars, weights, or labels. Header lines beginning with comment characters provide metadata. The simplicity of the format ensures broad compatibility across plotting tools. The optimal viewer for the XY format is generally considered to be Origin from OriginLab Corporation. Windows generally only reads the header information, not the full content. Windows can detect the file but not analyze it, so specialized tools must interpret the contents. Go ahead and right-click your XY file, then choose Open With. Try Origin if it's an option. If it's not, just select another program. This trial and error process is standard for tricky files. If you cannot access the XY file, no problem. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, plotting in Excel. Open the XY file in Microsoft Excel using File, then open and select the Text Import Wizard. Configure the delimiter settings to correctly parse the X and Y columns. Select the data and insert a scatter chart to visualize the coordinate pairs as a two-dimensional plot with axis labels and formatting options. Next, using scientific plotting tools, open XY files in gnuplot Origin or SciDavis for advanced scientific plotting. In gnuplot, use the command plot filename.xy with columns to create publication quality graphs. SciDavis provides a free graphical interface for importing XY data curve fitting and exporting publication-ready plots in various formats. Finally, importing into Python. Use Python with matplotlib and numpy for programmatic XY data visualization. Load data with numpy.loadtxt filename.xy and plot with matplotlib pyplot plot x, y. Python provides extensive options for data manipulation, statistical analysis, curve fitting, and customized plot generation from XY coordinate datasets. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.